Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today's topic is power of positivity. Yes guys, I'm going to talk about positivity. How positivity can help you to achieve anything and everything in life. In our English fluency journey also, we become very negative at times when we get stuck, when we don't find a way, when we don't see any improvement, when our English is not improving, when we are not able to figure out what is wrong with us. We start feeling very negative about the situation. We tend to start giving up. And I understand completely that English fluency journey is a long journey. It's not easy. There are lots of ups and downs you will see, but that doesn't mean that you're not making any progress or you're not improving or you're not able to figure out what is wrong with you and how to solve it. And that's where positivity comes in. How you can be positive in such situations, and these situations are not only limited to English speaking journey, but it is related to everything in our life. Whatever we do, we want to achieve something in life, we want to get job, we want to get into a business, we want to get into a college, we want to study something, we want to do something new, right? Any situation, in every situation we get into a negative space. We find ourselves stuck in a situation and we tend to become very negative about it. So it happens to all of us. So in short, we have to deal with this kind of situation every now and then. So I'm going to tell you how we can deal with it, how positivity can help us to succeed or win in every situation. So guys, I'm your communications coach. I have 10 plus years of experience in HR and I help professionals and students in improving their communication skills, English speaking skills, soft skills, professional English and overall personality development. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently and to master this skill. So stay tuned, stay connected, watch my entire video to know more. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Let's begin. So today I'm going to talk about the power of positivity, or how positivity can help us to come out of negative situations. I'll give you an example to explain the whole theory. Okay, for example, if suppose I'm going for an interview, my interview is scheduled for today at 12 o'clock and probably 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock I wake up, and the time I wake up I start thinking about, I don't know what is going to happen in the interview. I am not prepared, or whatever I have prepared, I am not very confident about it. If we continuously start thinking in this way for the interview, so this is the first case. We start thinking negative. We start trapping ourselves in negativity in first case. Second case, suppose I wake up in the morning and I start feeling positive about it. I start thinking about like, wow, I've got an opportunity. Let's see how I do. I'm prepared for the interview, but still, of course, I need to know more about things. I have limited knowledge about situations. I don't know what questions they're going to ask me, but whatever it is, I am going to try my best and I'm going to give my 100% to this interview, and I'm very excited and looking forward to the interview. And we go to the interview with a positive mindset. So these are the two cases. In first case, we go with a negative mindset, like, I'm not very confident, my English is not good, I don't know what questions are going to be asked, and I don't know about the answers, I have not read enough, right? And so on and so forth. And the second case, we are thinking like, let's see how it goes. I have limited knowledge, but then I'll try my best. And I'm very excited and enthusiastic about the interview. Anyways, I'm going to learn a lot. Let's see what questions are going to be asked and how will I score in that? And how do I perform in my interview? So these are the two situations. Now, you tell me which is a better situation. Which situation is better? Situation number 1 or situation number 2? Yes, I'm asking you. Write in the comments and let me know. So anybody who will hear these situations, everybody will say situation number 2 is better, right? This is what the power of positivity is. We have to be positive in every situation. If we start getting negative about any situation which has not happened to us, then how will we succeed in that? If our morale is so low, if our confidence is so low, if we are not very sure about the situation or things, how will we succeed? How will we win the situation? Right? That is why positivity is very important. You have to be very positive about every situation. I understand interviews are not easy. I have given n number of interviews, guys, trust me on this. But I'll tell you, it has helped me in improving my English communication skills, in improving my presentation skills, in improving my speaking skills, in improving my answering skills, and understanding the questions better and replying in a better way. So I have learned a lot by giving interviews. I was never scared of the interviews. Of course, I was nervous during interviews or before the interviews, but I made it a point that I'll do my best. I'll take it as a challenge. I'll take it as a learning experience, and I did learn out of it. Not necessary that you succeed in every interview, you crack every interview. I have not. I haven't cracked every single interview. I haven't cracked all interviews, and it's the same with every one of us. It is not necessary you crack all the interviews, right? But when you don't crack an interview, you learn from that, and you make it a point that if you don't crack that interview, you are getting an opportunity to take some takeaways from it, to improve yourself, to better yourself in the next interview. So this is how things work. Okay, so this is just an example of an interview. It happens in every situation. If we take example of English fluency journey, we are trying hard and we are doing everything, but when we go out to speak to people after greeting or after asking a 1 or 2 questions, we go blank and we are not successful in speaking to the other person in detail or at length, right? And we abruptly end the conversation because we are not very sure about it, we are not confident, and we can't speak, we are not able to speak more. Okay, so when we try 2-3 times and we are in the same situation every time, we become very negative about it. We start giving up. We think it's not working for me and probably it's not my cup of tea. We think that, which is very common. Okay, but in that case, what you should do, how you can become positive about that situation, right? I'll tell you how. If you've tried, you're not able to succeed, you're not able to keep the conversation going, or you're not able to speak more on it, you're not able to put your ideas across in a proper way, and you are fumbling or stumbling, you forget words, you go blank, anything, whatever happens, and etc. happens to you, right? In that situation, you have to just think why it is happening, where I'm lacking, what should I do more to get out of this situation? Start thinking about it. You will get a clue from it. This situation, you have failed, right? It's the same case with the interview. You went for an interview, it was a disaster, you were not selected. But then at the end of the day, you learn from it that this question I didn't answer properly. I was not able to speak properly or whatever. I didn't understand this question and I just answered something. I just said something about it. So, these were your faults and you have taken down all these things and you are working on it. It's the same way in this situation also, guys. You have to see what went wrong with you, why you were not able to speak up, what were the factors which were involved which held you back to speak up. Right? So if you start collecting those ideas or those things, those points, if you start introspecting about it, you will definitely get to know where you were wrong. What were the reasons why you were not able to speak in that situation? Maybe you started getting nervous, maybe you started feeling less confident about your English or your pronunciation skills or your vocabulary or anything else, right? Or probably You were not able to structure your ideas in a proper way and presented it, right? So these may be the reasons why you were not able to perform well, or you were not able to speak well during a conversation. So if you're stuck in a situation and you start feeling negative about it, before that, stop yourself and start thinking about why you got into that situation. What are the reasons behind it? Start introspecting, start coming up with the reasons. What stopped you from speaking, or what were the reasons you couldn't speak? Okay, once you start collecting those reasons and you start working on it, the next time you will see the difference. So that is why this is how you can become positive about a situation. You have to turn that negative situation into a positive situation. So you have to put some energy, put some effort into it. Okay. And once you do that, definitely the situation you will be able to control the situation and you will be able to improve on it. Okay. So this is why positivity is very important. Once you become positive about anything, definitely you are going to improve on it, or you're going to achieve that, or you're going to win that situation, or you're going to succeed in that. That is for sure. There are hundreds of situations around us, hundreds of things we do every day, and we notice this. How being positive helps us in doing things better, or improving on certain things, or achieving certain things in an easy way. So that is why whichever situation it is, we have to be positive. And how we can turn that situation, how we can be positive about that situation, you should start introspecting. Start collecting the reasons where you failed or why you failed in that particular thing, whether it is a business or your professional life or your personal life or any interview or your English fluency journey or anything else, whatever you have undertaken. And if you have failed, or if you have started feeling negative about it, like why you are not improving, why this is not going in the right direction, or it's not progressing, you have to start introspecting. Start introspecting. Come up with the reasons why it is happening to you. What is that thing which is not letting you go ahead, or which is not letting you work in the right direction? Jot down those points, jot down those factors or reasons, and work on it, and you will see the magic, guys. This is how people come out of situations, on rather negative situations. Your aim should be getting better every single day. And if you're not getting better, stop, wait, hold on for a second or a minute, and start thinking about why you are not progressing, why you are not improving. If today you have read 2 chapters, why tomorrow you are not able to read 3 chapters? Whether your speed is low, whether you are not interested in reading, or whatever it is, you have to know why. And that why is going to help you in a magical way. So start getting the answer of why and work on it. Start working on it. Definitely you are going to improve. And this is with a positive attitude. When you find why and you come up with a solution to your why, you have to be positive about it. Yes, I have found out the reason. I am going to work hard and I am going to improve now. This is positivity, guys. And why I've taken this topic is because in every situation we start feeling negative very easily. But we don't know what to do, how to get out of it. And this is the thing which we have to do. We have to start introspecting. We have to start finding out the reasons. We have to start finding out the factors, or simply the why we are not able to do this. It's as simple as that. Start finding out this why and start working on this why, and you will see the difference. So guys, I'm sure this session is going to help you in a long way. Just remember how you have to come out of a negative situation and be positive about things, and you will see the difference. Well, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.